Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skills Succeed channel. Today we're jumping into something super practical, how to format cells in Excel. Whether you're a total newbie or just looking for a refresher, this video is going to help you make your spreadsheets look way more polished and professional. Let's see how we can change the font. So, you know how when you open Excel, it always starts with that default Calibri font. It's fine, but sometimes you want something with a little more personality, right? Here's what you do. Step 1. Click on the cell where you want to switch up the font. Step 2. Head over to the Home tab. Click on the Font drop-down and pick whatever font catches your eye. And there you go, your text now has a fresh new look. Now let's see how we can adjust the font size. Maybe you want to make your text a bit bigger, so it stands out more. Or maybe you need to shrink it down to fit everything nicely. No worries, it's easy. Step 1. Click on the cell with the text you want to resize. Step 2. Still in the Home tab, just click on the Font Size drop-down and choose the size that works for you. Boom! Your text is now the perfect size. Now let's see how we can change font color. Alright, let's talk color. Want to add a little flair to your text? Here's how you can change the font color. Step 1. Select the cell with the text you want to jazz up. Step 2. Go back to the Home tab. Find the font color icon. It looks like a little paint bucket. And pick your favorite color. Now your text has that pop of color to make it stand out. In next, we shall see how to use bold, italics, and underline features. Sometimes you want to emphasize something, make it bold, italicized, or underlined. Here's how. Step 1. Highlight the cell you want to tweak. Step 2. In the Home tab, click on the bold, italics, or underline buttons, whichever you need. And just like that, your text has that extra emphasis. Now let's see how we can add background color with fill color. Need to highlight a cell or group of cells. Let's add some background color. Step 1. Select the cell you want to make pop. Step 2. Back in the Home tab. Click on the Fill Color icon. It's the one with a paint bucket, and pick a color you like. Now that cell really stands out, doesn't it? Now we shall learn how to add borders to cells. Borders are great for organizing your data, making it easier to read. Here's how to add them. Step 1. Click on the cell where you want a border. Step 2. Go to the Home tab, click on the Borders button, and choose a border style that works for you. You can even get fancy and customize your borders with the Draw tools at the bottom of the Borders drop-down. Let's see how we can change the text alignment. By default, Excel aligns text at the bottom of the cell, but sometimes you want it centered or aligned differently. Here's what to do. Step 1. Select the cell you want to adjust. Step 2. In the Home tab, click on the alignment buttons to position your text just right. And there you have it. Text aligned exactly how you like. Let's see how we can modify columns, rows, and cells. Let's talk about adjusting the size of columns, rows, and cells. It's pretty straightforward. Just hover over the column line in the heading until you see a double arrow. Click, hold, and drag to adjust the width. Let's learn how to modify the row height. Same deal, hover over the row line until you see the double arrow. Click, hold, and drag to adjust the height. And now everything fits perfectly. In next section, we will learn how to insert new rows and columns. Running out of space? Here's how to add new rows or columns. Click on the row number below where you want the new row. Go to the Home tab, click on Insert, and select Insert Sheet Rows. The new row is inserted. Conclusion. That's a wrap for today's lesson on cell formatting in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Drop a comment below and let me know what Excel topic you want to see next. Catch you in the next video.